How Reggie became the Monkey King. Chapter 1. Somewhere deep under the ocean existed like this fairy tale creature. He was huge humongous, like Jumanji and oranges. Lots of oranges. And somewhere in there, he had to fight for his queen. And his queen, she was the most precious stone deity of angels ever made. So in this deity, I looked up and said, "Where art thou, Lord thy sorceress?" I was like, "Lord thy sorceress here." It was like, "Where's the creature? Where's the beast of the field?" It was like, "Go in the chambers and get the lion." So they go in the chambers, get the lion. It was like, "Are you prepared for battle?" It was like, "Oh, indeed, I am ready." So I let him do his thing. And in walks this big, ugly, ram-beasted, Trojan, feasting, collegiate, heasting. I was like, "What's wrong with your jaws? Picking so big, your thighs got a yeast infection." Talking to a man. He looked back, I looked back at him, said, "Bust him out." Somewhere in there, I knew this was going to be the wumble of our wumbles. Not even Jackie Gland hit this hard. Now, I'm in there. I was like, "Take him to the sandcastle at the orchestrated arena." He goes at it. He's like, "Rah!" We're like, "Yeah, I'm about to get in your tail now." "Well, put your hands on me then." He was like, "All right, come on. We done made it this far. Ain't no looking back. Shack still, shack attack." I look back like clickety clack. I'ma beat this field with the beats of the hack attack. With a rat-a-tat-a-ta, automatic. People keep coming in out of the bladder. My pocket's getting fatter and fatter. Now I knew then it was on now. Some dumb boy rose from all pedestals, from foot baby doubling back networks to social anthropology. I knew somewhere in there, every number had a name, and every name had a number. It was like, "Raw, give your breast meat, your bass hole." We wasn't talking about fish. I was like, so they went down. I was like, "So how about I cheat a kinetic ball with my blade?" He was like, "I'm gonna whoop your tail." And I was like, "All right, come on then, come on. And I sat there. I was like, he get ate. Final conclusion. He looking at me, I'm looking at them. I was like, Reggie raised and let it bleed on the sword. He was like, "Give it up now. Give up the ghost. Lord thy sauciest." It was like, "Oh no, here comes the king with the judgment. I hail thee, Lord Hell, from Ice Storm, Jumper Cable, Juice. I decline thee. Throw him to the pits, the pits of the cell." It was like, "Water him down. He's awkwardly fleeting. He's getting away." He's running. He's back on his feet. Look at him go. Yeah, you let the chambers open. You let him get away. Oh man, look what you made me do now. King said steak, all of them to the pit. From the end.